beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn how we can search out the content ideas. So there is a website, the answerthepublic.com. On this website you can actually type out your keyword, and relevant to that keyword you will find out the questions that the people are asking about. Okay, so from that you will get a lot of keywords over there. So here I will just bookmark this website, and we can come here, and for example if we just write a keyword here, for example health news or health, just to type health and enter, then you will see that we will find out a lot of details relevant to the health. So here you can see that we have around search volume of 12,100, and then you will find out 146 or 146 questions related to health. And here you can see a chart where this chart is also very nice, and you can click on specific search term to see out the results. But also here on the top you can see that we have the data section. So if you click on data, you will find out the details here, and you can see that here we have a lot of keywords. Our health cards still valid, so this is a keyword. Our health valid, health webs safe. Okay, so like this. And also you can see can, these are the questions related to R, then we questions related to can, and then we have questions related to how. So usually people are creating content on their website, and usually the most searched articles around the world is related to questions. So usually people actually ask their queries from Google. So for example, can health anxiety cause fake symptoms? So this is a question. And similarly for how, there are a lot of questions over here. So you can see that for every question, if we click here, if you will click here, you will find out actually the details, but it is for upgraded users, where you will find out the CPC and the authority of this link, of this key term as well. But definitely for this, for example, if you want to these terms in Google AdWords, or you can go to the Moz if you have the paid account of the Moz, or if you have the trial account of the Moz website for 30 days, you can search this term and you can find out the relevant results, that what page 30 it has, and what is its ranking, how competitive this this term is, and like that. But anyhow, in short, you can see that this is a great method of finding out the title for your articles, and definitely you can choose these terms, and you can create your articles according to these terms as well, and definitely that will lead your blog to the next level. In the next section we will more ideas about content creation. Goodbye.